is the only place where I have good lighting right now. So I bought this with my own money. Just thought I said it from the beginning. It's a water wave and it's 22 inches. It's an headband wig, and I got it with the box from ISEEHAIR. And the shipping literally took only 3 to 4 days coming to Canada. If you get curious, I got eyelashes, I got 2 headbands, and I got a wig cap. And the packaging is so cute. And the hair will be in another separate plastic of its own. This is the water wave. I am gonna co-wash it with just conditioner before I do put it in my hair. And it is so soft, guys. Like, you can wear it just off the bat from the bag, but I like to wash my hair extensions first if I put them on my head. But yeah, like, oh, it is beautiful. I love it, and it's so soft. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Uniquely Dara. I talk about fragrances and I do hair reviews as well as sometimes makeup, but mostly hair and fragrances. So today I'm going to talk about this hair. This video is not sponsored. It is by ISEEHAIR or IC Princess. So the length of the hair, I believe I put everything up on the screen already. This is 22 water wave. And it is, I believe I got the Brazilian, not the Mongolian. And I also did something different though with this headband wig, because the elastic band is actually a little too long for my head. So maybe my head size is a little too small. If you saw in the video before, where I was separating the what do you call the thing? The Velcro from the back. You could see that it was kind of folded in half. So that's what I did. I kind of folded the longer part in half with a hot glue gun. You could sew it in, but I was just being lazy. With a hot glue gun, and then I attached it. So that way it's a bit more snug, because on me the elastic band was way too big. So I guess it's big head friendly. As for the cap itself, it's not too snug on my head. Like I said, I have a small head, so that could be another reason why. It's not too snug on my head, and the combs are okay. Sometimes it can be a bit uncomfortable, so you just have to maneuver it so that it's not like snatching or pulling on your hair, I would say. And as for the curl pattern, I was expecting it to be more like, don't get me wrong, like the curl pattern is really it's really pretty, but I was expecting more of like a wave, but this one is more of like an actual curl, like a coil in a way. And I did wash it, so this is not fresh out of the box. Like I've worn this for about 2 weeks now, so I have washed it. When it comes to the shedding, I would say, so 1 being the most, 1 out of 10 being the most, and then 10 out of 10 being nothing. I'll give this about an 8 out of 10. It does have a little bit of shedding. Like with any curly hair, I would expect it to shed. In terms of maintenance of this hair, I would say it's low maintenance actually. As long as you've, at least once a week, you've at least washed it and detangled it, I think you should be able to at least wear it for 5 days without trying to wash it again and detangle it. The way I normally refresh my curls is I just use wrapping foam. So literally that's all I use. I either use Lauder Body or Cantu wrapping foam. I use that on my hair to just refresh the curls. I'm not somebody who necessarily likes the wet look. And also, as you can see behind me, it's winter, so I'm not trying to get a cold. So I prefer the hair to be dry, and I like volume. So this is what it looks like. And this is, the hair is not even like at the highest volume right now. This is actually day one hair of me just washing it, so it gets bigger than this. And the hair is very, very soft. So I haven't really seen a lot of reviews with the Brazilian. I've seen a lot of with the Mongolian hair. The shipping was fast. It arrived within 3 or 4 days, I believe so. And I believe I posted this early on in my video. So if you guys have any more questions, let me know. Oh, and my height is 5'9". So for 22 inches, this is like where it stops, like on me. So like right here. That's where it stops for 22 inches. And it could also be the way I define my curls, because I use a Damien brush. I'm thinking if I don't use a Damien brush and I just use like a regular comb, it might be more wavy. But because I use a Damien brush, it would definitely bring out the curls. And don't get me wrong, like I said, I do love the curls, like it's really pretty. But I was just expecting it to be more of a wave, not necessarily like a curl, like a coil. Yeah, not like a coil. So overall, I guess it's too early to say, but so far, like, what do I rate this hair out of 10? Just in general, I'll give it like an 8. It loses like 1 point. 1 point because it's not the pattern I was expecting. I mean, I still like it, but it's not what I was expecting. And it loses another point because because of the elastic. I mean, but overall it still gets an A minus. So it's pretty good. It's very versatile. And this is the actual headband it comes with. I did not put like my own so you guys can actually see it. So comment down below if you have any more questions, and thank you for watching.